What's up guys, it's Zach aka Homes with an X. Welcome back to the 3D printer rebuild series. If you haven't already watched part 1, go and check that out first. Today we're going to begin the reassembly. Let's get into it. So I'm going to begin by cleaning all the frame components. So I'm going to need a scrubbing brush. The red parts are the original pieces from the frame and the white ones are the new ones I've printed. So I'm going to sort these out and start reassembly with the new white pieces. So I've laid out all my components and I'm ready to begin the assembly. I'm using my reference images while I reassemble the frame, and I'm partway through the base now. It's going really smoothly. The hardest part is figuring out how many nuts to place in these channels before screwing the ends down. Alright, so that's the first part of the frame reassembly complete. Moving on to the uprights and diagonal pieces. So that's the frame assembly all complete now. Next I'm going to move on to the motors, the pulleys, all that sort of stuff. The frame's nice and square, I've got it all tightened up, it feels really solid. And I'm actually going to leave these red pieces as they are. They look kind of cool as like an accent or a feature, but you're not going to see them anyway because they'll be hidden behind the power supply. So I'm going to end the video there for today. I'm really happy with that progress. Next I'm going to be doing the Y-axis, that's the heated bed and all that. The X-axis and the Z motors, all the pulleys and the wiring. Once I've done all that, I can do a test print, make sure it all works, and share the results with you guys. So if you want to make sure you don't miss that next video, hit subscribe now, subscribe to my channel, leave me a like if you enjoyed the video, and a comment to let me know what you thought. Until then guys, see you next time.
Quick to fall in love, she told me when she slipped and fell. Got roaches piling up, she told me that she hate the smell. Made her cough when she walked in my apartment. Home studio, I'm like, baby, this my office. This is how I'm living, I like the vibe different. I need me a girl that sees the entire vision. Call in advance, you gotta cancel them plans. It's going down like an avalanche, yeah.